name is Jingïakhih, and I'm the president of Naga Initiative.
Okay, tell us a little bit about your visit today here in Nehu. What is the...
First of all, I would like to thank the media fraternity for the coverage, and then the second thing, I would like to applaud the KSU and USU for taking this initiative for the cause of the students. And yes, we are in solidarity for the students, for the welfare. They have been here striking for their justice, and we are here to support them. Their demand is very much genuine, and for which we are standing here hand in hand with them. And I want to express my concern to my dear fellow students, my dear brothers and sisters, that you are not alone. Even as from the students community of Nagas, the Naga Students Union Shillong is there for them till the end. The justice is delivered. It's been from the northeast states. There are always so many issues, and then even in this part, our northeastern people has always been neglected. And in this issue, the main concern of the thing is like the competent authority should take action immediately and handle the situation as soon as possible. As we can see, the students on hunger strike for so many days. Some of them been in critical condition. They have been admitted in hospital. And the main purpose of them is here to study for their career, for the future. They should be preparing for the studies. But as you can see, they are lying there protesting for their rights, and for which we would like to request the competent authority to take this matter into action as soon as possible and resolve this issue. And I would like to convey this, that unless this issue has been settled, we will not rest and we will fight until the end. Yeah.